Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a palette bingo for you, and in case you don't know what it is, it's basically where I pick 4 colors. I usually go for 4 eyeshadows. You can use more if you want. 4 eyeshadows randomly, and then I make a look with that. Today there was a little twist because I have all my palettes here. 2 over here, and then 6 more here. And I'm gonna do a look, like a mix match of all of these. So basically I'm going to use a randomizer twice. First to actually get the palettes, to choose the palettes between 1 and 8, because there are 8 palettes. And then after that I'm going to pick the colors. Now this doesn't mean that I will use 4 different palettes. If I get number 5 2 times, then I will use 2 colors from the 5th palette. It's been a while since I've done a palette bingo, so I mean I still know how it works. Obviously it's not that difficult. Between 1 and 8, so we have 8. It's my pleasure palette by Colourpop. This is what that one looks like. And also, if let's just say that I get number 4, which I mean, if you look at the palette, it's this shade, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. If that's empty, I will do another random number. So we got this palette. Then we got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another Colourpop palette. Let's see. Yes, please palette. That actually says cute as fuck. This is what this one looks like. Also, there's 1 empty pan, so it's gonna be nice. The 3rd palette is number 5 again, so 2 times. Let me just write that down, because you know my memory is not that good. The 4th color or palette will be 7. Blush Trap, Hasina 2 palette, which none of this is gonna work because this is. Oh no, wait, actually, there are some purples in the It's My Pleasure palette, but this is what this one looks like. Gorgeous palette. Stunning, I love it. So, we got the palettes. Now we need to get the colors. I'm gonna get the It's My Pleasure palette. I'm gonna pick 1 color from here because, you know, I only picked that palette once. So there are 15 shades in here. I'm gonna start 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15. So, I'm a bit nervous because I feel like nothing of this is gonna match. 2. Oh god, that's Iris. This color here. Oh boy, this is already starting great. I think I'm gonna get the It's My Pleasure out of the way because there's only 1 shadow as well. Of course, from 1 to 9. So we have 3, this shade. I mean, so far, this actually doesn't look that bad. But there's still 1 more palette to come, and I gotta pick 2 colors out. So, yes please palette, we have 12 shades. I think, if I can count, I'm not really that good. 9. That is Mischief. It's a yellow color. How the hell am I supposed to do that? Oh no. Okay. And then last but not least, the last color is 4. Which this one, I don't even know what the name that is. Louis. God, I don't know what to do with this. Shit. What the hell am I supposed to do? Oh my god. I think I'm gonna do like I'll just say it like a rainbow kind of, like a sunset kind of look, and then I put Pretty Cool on my lower lash line because that has glitter in and I don't really want to mess with that. So, purple on the outside, and then the yellow one, then the red one, then the dark purple. Oh my god. Okay. This is gonna be great. This is Iris from the Blush Trap palette. I will just put that here on the outer corner. Like this. A bit higher than my crease because I put it eyes in there, otherwise it just looks bad. Also, I'm hungry. You can hear my belly growl. Oh my god. Yes, you can hear it. Oh my god. Then I want to use, what was it? Louis? I just flipped the brush over and then I'm gonna use this one. Which you don't even see. What the hell? What is this? What is this? It's literally taking off the other shadow. Do you see that? Let me use my finger. Maybe that. Oh, maybe that. Okay, the finger works a little better, but it's still taking off. I don't understand. Okay, then I'm going in with Louis and just. This is not working the way I wanted it to work. I don't know what to. Oh my god, I don't know what to think about this. Like, it's not. This color's not even sticking where it should stick, you know? I don't like that color. Like, it should be this color, but on the eyelid it's very, very light. Okay, over here it actually works. Strange. It's strange that this eye works better than this. I have no idea. Okay, then I'm gonna use Mischief from the same Yes Please palette. I'm gonna go with a big fluffy brush. That is a nice color. Oh, you can't deny that. That is a gorgeous color. Let blend it in a little here. I'm getting right into the inner corner here, so I have that pop of color. And again, you can't see the other color anymore. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't like these two colors. I like the yellow one. That is gorgeous, but the other two are just horrible. My god, why is this so difficult? Why is this not holding on? I don't understand it. Do you see this? What is this? This looks okay. But this is doing nothing. And I don't like it. You know what I'm gonna do for my next Panda palette update? I will get rid of these two colors because I don't like them at all. Okay? I will get rid of this one, which is Louis. I'll also get rid of Iris, which is a gorgeous color. It's beautiful. I mean, look at the swatch. It's stunning. But on the eyes, horrible. My god. Why is this so difficult? I mean, I know I'm not good at makeup. I know that. You can call me out on it. But Jesus Christ. My god. I'm not even mad at the fallout because, you know, it's really difficult to get a good formula, and especially an indie brand who doesn't have the resources and whatever. I'm not mad at that. It's just the fact that it's not applying the way it should apply. I don't know. So I'm going to do concealer very quickly, maybe a bit of a liner, and then I'll come back to do the lower lash line. I thought I was filming. I wasn't. So I applied the liner and I applied Pretty Cool on my lower lash line here. That is the pigmentation I want. I mean, like, in the camera it doesn't look that bad, but in reality this is a mess. Mischief here is gorgeous, looks nice. This looks okay, patchy, both sides. Still, I will get rid of that, and then this one is just, it's basically not really there, so I don't know what to think about that yet. So, taking this, the purple, just, and this in. So it's not so harsh. Honestly, pretty cool. It's a nice color. And to my surprise, I don't even see the glitter in it, which is good as well. So I'm going back in with Iris, even though I don't like the color at all. I'm just gonna blend in a little over here. Mascara. Should I do mascara on my bottom lashes? I don't know. Yes, I do a little. And then to top the sunset look off, I use a red lipstick. This is my go-to red lipstick. If you ever see me wear red lipstick in videos, which is very often, this is by NYX. This is called, hold on, Suede, a matte lipstick in Spicy. It's a little hot. I'm not really happy with this. Yeah, I don't really like it. Yeah, I will probably get rid of Iris, like I said, because that color is just horrible to work with. I think I've had this one before in a makeup palette bingo thing. And then I will also get rid of Louis, because that is just not, like, it's not performed the way it should. It should look like this. It's not really there. Maybe, maybe I will keep Louis for now. I will definitely get rid of Iris because I don't like that color. It's just horrible to work with. Louis, maybe on its own, apply with the finger, maybe it looks good. I will see that. We'll see. But Iris, I will definitely get rid of because it's just not nice. So that was it. It is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, let me know what you would do about these eyeshadows. I just can't. Like I always say, life is too short for bad eyeshadows, so get rid of Iris at least. From afar, it doesn't look bad, but as soon as you get close, it's just like, yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, subscribe to my channel already, and see you next one. This is very confusing me. Oh my god. Okay, like this. Purple, which is Iris from Blush Drop palette. Blah, blah, blah. Jesus Christ, you fucking dickhead.